What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm going to take you on the sketchiest drive I've ever done in my life, so let's get to it. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby. There you go, Clint. There's a sweet little tracker, man. Oh, there's potholes everywhere. Trying to miss those. Holy crap. We're coming into Vancouver this Friday afternoon, so I'm trying to get through Vancouver before rush hour and beat all those people going skiing for the weekend up north before I get behind them getting stuck. That's the plan. Blue sky, things are looking up. That is the last big city I'm gonna see for thousands of miles. Next biggest city is Whitehorse, which is probably 40,000 people. That's about 1,000 miles from here. And then Anchorage after that, which is only 250,000 people. So see you later, civilization. First time I've seen sunshine in a week. We're going up in those snow-covered mountains to Whistler. Here we go. Cool, we just went through Squamish. Got about 30 miles. We'll be in Whistler up here. Just in time for it to get dark. I'll probably just spend the night in Whistler. It's it might be the largest ski resort in the world. I have no idea. I think Whistler Blackcomb kind of is. I know it's like one of the largest for sure. But there's probably some stuff. It's a Friday night, so maybe I'll find some music and a burger and a place to park. Okay, we're getting pretty close to Whistler up here. Thank God, maybe 2.5 miles away. One big kind of bad thing I just found out is apparently they don't allow any overnight parking like almost anywhere in Whistler because of snow removal and all that stuff, which you can tell there's a ton of snow. So I do not want to drive past Whistler in the dark, so I'll figure out some situation when I get up here, but I'm relieved to make it this far. Wow, trees are pretty.
In 600 meters, turn right.
All right, which way do we go here? Thing right here. Whistler Village, we made it. Holy crap. I don't know where I'm gonna park yet, but we'll figure it out. Wish I had my snow machine. Looks awesome. That was awesome. Just had a super good burger. I think at a place called The Keg or something like that. I can't remember. Anyway, gonna leave Whistler. I can't find overnight parking spots, so let's get the camper down there. So I'm gonna head up the road towards the next town. Hopefully I can make it there tonight. I had to leave Whittier. I'm heading towards Pemberton. The roads are terrifyingly icy right now, super sketchy. I'm having to go crazy slow, having people like flash me with their lights and everything that are driving Subarus. They have no freaking clue how easy I'm sliding in this thing. No idea. Good morning, everybody. Just started the truck up. It's a balmy 8 degrees out, and we're gonna get rolling here. Get the most dangerous part of the highway coming up today. Right off the bat, I'm gonna have to put chains on, so it gets really steep and twisty. That's all I know about it. Ooh, so I spent the night in this park last night. Library's right there, the public rec center, and I was just hoping I wouldn't get my door knocked on. Just kind of squatting it, trying to pass through. There's no highway pullouts, there's just like nowhere to stop, so hopefully they'd be understanding of that. Anyway, I'm gonna go get a couple groceries here, and then we're gonna hit the road. I think within like 5 or 10 miles, wherever Lillooet Lake is, I think that's how you pronounce it. I need to chain up there because there's a really steep, sharp switchbacky climb, and I'm not gonna make it even if we're all drive, so I'm gonna have to put my ice cleats on. I only have one set of chains for the front or rear tires, so I'm probably gonna put them on the front. That's what I usually do, that way I can still steer, and most of your braking, 70% of your braking comes from your front axle anyways. But the uphill would be nice to have them on the rear, so we'll see. I might switch them around or something. Here's the local supermarket.
Your destination is on the right.
Hopefully we can find a parking spot. All you snow machiners out there, all you sledders, there are so many sleds here in this town. This morning is crazy, man. Just there's so much snow, it's gonna be awesome. Wish I could go with them. We got some groceries, enough to hold me over if crap goes down, and we're getting out of town. Here we go. See? The sled right there. This is crazy, y'all. There is so much snow here. I guess there was a big storm here the entire last week, and they've just been getting absolutely obliterated. As you guys saw, the same storm that was hitting me was hitting these guys, but it was more like powder. Just a ton of snow. I've seen people out snow blowing everywhere, and front end loaders trying to clear out the cities, and like the cities, half the city is like blocked in itself. So Duffy Lake Road open. All right, thank God. Let's get through this before they close it. So if you look on the British Columbia government website, you can get road conditions and stuff, but I went a further step and found a Facebook group that drives this highway. There's a Facebook group specifically for Highway 99. And I got in there and posted last night, like joined the group and posted, told them I was driving a truck camper and a Ford F-350 and towing a Samurai behind me. And a lot of people chimed in. I got like 20 responses of people that had just driven it or knew about it. And one guy told me to chain up when I get to Lillooet Lake up here, right before all the steep switchbacks. So I'm gonna put the chains on there. That's the plan. That was cool. I pulled over to let some dudes behind me by in the trucks, and I talked to the one guy I just passed right there. He just gave me a shout out. I guess he watches the channel. It's crazy. It's such a small world. I don't know. It's inspiring to me to keep doing it when I see that people enjoy it. I mean, that's because I'm enjoying it. So that's pretty cool. So here's Birkenhead River. It goes into Lillooet Lake here. I hope I'm saying Lillooet right. My advice that I was given on Facebook by that dude was after you cross the river, you'll kind of go to the end of the lake, and then there's these crazy steep switchbacks that begin, which are gonna be ridiculously icy and sketchy. They just opened it a few hours ago, and from the avalanche control. I guess avalanches have been blocking it and whatnot, but the advice is to chain up. There should be a chain up area, hopefully, or a parking lot or something like that. So we'll get up here and find out. And you guys know me, I'm into all the extreme sports stuff, and I've got a healthy respect for fear, but also willing to take risk. And I've been nervous about this drive for a long time, so hopefully, oh God, hopefully this is in the switchback already. Well, that's great. There's no warning, straight into it. Oh my God. Hopefully there's a chain up spot. What the crap? There better be a chain up spot right here. Okay, here we go. Thank God. Whew, I thought I was starting up the hill without chains. Committed. Holy crap. Whew, all right, I feel better about that now. Let's see, I'll go ahead and turn around and get chained up. And we're going up this pass. You can see the avalanche gates right there. So I stopped at the hardware store and bought a freaking new pair of gloves. I wasn't expecting to get back to Alaska this late, like freaking January, so I didn't bring gloves with me. I've got my mucklucks and stuff, but I have not tried these chains on. I hope to God they fit. And that's about all I gotta say. I'll go put them on here. Way to climb up this freaking hill. Oh yeah, here's the Samurai really quick while we're here. Got the new tires put on. Thank God, pretty sweet. There's Josh's bike, electric bike I'm bringing up for him. Let's get these chains out. These are gonna be heavy. Unfortunately, when I bought these chains, I had ordered rubber bands to hold the chains on, and they freaking sold them to someone else. So I've got no rubber bands, so I had to buy some bungees. Speaking of the devil, we gotta find those bungees. I think they might be in my passenger seat of the truck. There they are. Cool. So at least they have these, which will totally work. It's the same principle. They just keep tension on your chain, so it's not all over the place. I don't know if I should put them on the front or the rear. There's more weight in the rear going up, but then I steer with my front, so I don't know. Maybe I should put them on the rear. All the weight's back there with the trailer. Then again, the engine on this thing is super heavy, so I don't know. I'm gonna put them in the rear. I feel like since that trailer is back there, I think the rear is a smarter place to put it because I've got a ton of tongue weight. If you see the Samurai here, I'd love to have it further back in this trailer, but I can't because of these ramps. They hang in so far that I have to pull the Samurai forward. So it's kind of a bad design. which gives me a whole bunch of tongue weight, unfortunately, which puts a whole bunch of weight on these tires because the camper's on it too. So I'm gonna put the chains on the rear tire. Hope to God they fit. Moment of truth. They're supposed to. And you guys can see these aren't just normal chains. They actually have ice cleats on them, those little V-bars. It's not just like a chain, those things bite in. You guys can see what I did right here. You just kind of hang the front of the chain, just kind of barely hanging off the ground, all the slack in the back, and then we're gonna drive forward to pull it through. Let's go get the other side first. Okay, they're on both sides. I'm gonna pull forward and let them seat into place. Woohoo! And you can see how that kind of pulled it nice and taut. So now I strap the back down. Moment of truth, hopefully they fit. Oh, thank God those fit. Is the cam on the other side? Oh snap. It probably is. Unfortunately, I figured I'd do it. I put it on inside out, but we'll make it work for what we're doing right now. Can you guys see this? There's like these little tensioners right here, so I just twist this thing or rotate it. This one I can rotate by hand. That just tightens it up a little bit. And usually you want those little cams on the outside. It doesn't really matter, I just made it harder myself. So they're on backwards on both wheels, of course, but whatever. And then usually there's like this starfish bungee. This guy's sending it. And this just helps hold tension on the chain. Hopefully these work. Oh, they work. All right. Uh-oh, missing one of the things. Son of a monkey. Well, in classic Timmy fashion, they sold me a bungee without a hook. She just handed him to me, so here we go, cool. I guess I just got two for this side. That's what we're gonna do. All right, let's get this side now. There's a camera right there. You can see how tight the clearance is. This is really tight. I think we got it though, I hope. A little tighter. Man, I'm glad I bought these gloves. It'd be pretty cold right now. You guys see how that happens? How that works? Like that. Now hopefully all this stuff does not hit my U-bolt leaf spring pad there, so we'll see. Woohoo! We chained up, son. Oh. Am I nervous? Yes, I am nervous. But we're chained up. Thank God. Not even just normal chains, we got ice cleats on them, so that should help a little bit. I'm hoping that when I start moving, it is super close to the spring pad. It's like literally, that might actually be even touching it. Oh God. We'll see though, maybe we'll get lucky. Only one way to find out, start moving. That's where we're going. Oh, I'm nervous, okay.
Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video where we take on the switchbacks with the truck house. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button down there and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.